calculations. There were cities in which the price was correct, mainly those under public administration, such as Chambéry, Grenoble, or Clermont-Ferrand. We did, however, find cities where the prices were twice as high, like in Île-de-France, Marseille, Montpellier, or Reims. There, you could lower the price for water by 30 to 40%.
De au moins 30 à 40%.
Suez. What makes the price so high here? During the examination of this question, a persistent finance controller came to some astonishing conclusions.
Not even 3 years after the conclusion of the contract, the prices had risen by over 30%, while we were told it was only 15%. So we informed ourselves at the local authority of Bordeaux. We spent a whole day there, and between the two of us, looked through a mountain of documents and left with over 700 photocopies. After working on it for 6 months, we finally managed to decipher the documents. For example, Lyonnaise des Eaux told us a water meter for a private person with a diameter of 15 centimeters has a life expectancy of 12 years. So in their calculations, they calculated with a 12 years lifespan. But after a financial and technical inspection, we determined that these water meters actually have a lifespan of 23.8 years. So, in reality, they bill us for 2 water meters, while only having the cost of 1. Another example. Lyonnaise des Eaux stated the following. There will soon be an additional EU charge for lead piping and fittings. In accordance with this, we are increasing the rhythm of replacements by adding another 6,000 pipe connections in addition to last year's quota. This they declared in 1995. We examined all their annual reports between 1995 and 2006, and actually there were never 6,000 per year, but on average only a quarter of that. That's only one example, but there are plenty of other small measures taken, which together add up to hundreds of millions of profit. They operate with these methods also in Bordeaux, Grenoble, Paris, and other cities. This financial technique is the same everywhere.
The Local Authorities Association in Bordeaux, through investigations of their own, confirmed the conclusions of the finance controllers in 2005. But it took a court order for Suez to put the specific documents relevant to the association's investigation on the table. So it came as no surprise when the investigation concluded that the corporation, contrary to all previous statements, collects a 29% annual rate of return